So I wanted to thank everybody for joining us today, for all the colleagues on stage, and for ASIP to inviting me. We're talking about artificial intelligence and healthcare. And I want to pause for a second because the video you guys watched of me and Dr. Soin, we never said any of those words. We actually never stood in front of a camera and recorded any of that content. So think about how powerful that is. It's about innovation in clinic operations and the patient experience. And this is what this technology is going to allow us to do today. The number one complaint I get from my patients is that they want to see me, they want me to explain what's going on with them, especially because now more than ever before, we're no longer just pain doctors. We're not writing scripts. Yes, we are interventional pain doctors, we're doing injections, but it's evolving. We're actually doing more and more surgeries. And these are complicated procedures that require the doctor to talk to them. As good as my APPs are, they're facing the same challenges.